Get it, bro.
I don't think so.
I originally said that this video was the last video I ever did on my old car, but it just got cleaned up and it looks amazing, so I'm gonna do another video on the Subaru. I have to. I gotta start this vlog with the Subaru vid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's got a little special place in my heart, so cinematic footage of the Subaru starts now. Parked it right up front, just right up front, right in the middle of everything. Again, it's a little tough, you know what I'm saying, but we're moving on. That's it for the Subaru. It's done. I promise you'll never see it again on this channel. We're not gonna talk about it anymore, but what we are gonna talk about some more is the 2019 GMC Sierra. I don't know why, but I've been like fascinated with this truck. Maybe it's just because it's something new. Maybe it's because there's not many of them out there. Maybe all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is we just got this truck in from a dealer trade. What that means is another dealership gave us this truck because they needed something that we had on our lot. I'm gonna drive this truck home tonight. I have not had these trucks out on the road. I went to Wendy's one day, that's it. That's the only thing I've done in this truck. So we're gonna put this thing on the highway. We're gonna put it to the test tomorrow morning. Generally Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that's car day, so this would be perfect. Another 19 Sierra. And it looks exactly like the last 19 Sierra I showed you. It does have all the nice amenities, so again, we're just gonna hop into this thing tomorrow. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every single day. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I will see you guys tomorrow in this truck, tomorrow morning. Deuces. Have a great night. Deuces.